Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix the ChatGPT card declined error if you are trying to upgrade to Plus or Pro in 2026 and your payment keeps failing. Let's get right into the solutions. First, you should try disabling your browser extensions. OpenAI uses Stripe to process payments, and certain extensions, especially ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy tools, can interfere with the payment API. In Google Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, and toggle them all off. Restart your browser and try the payment again. Once it goes through, you can turn your extensions back on for normal use. Next, you need to clear your browser's cookies and cache. Over time, these files can become corrupted or outdated, causing a misconfiguration with the payment gateway. Go to your browser settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and cached images for all time. Keep in mind, this will log you out of ChatGPT, so you will need to sign back in before retrying your card. Then, you have to check your 3D Secure or international settings. Many banks automatically block international transactions to OpenAI as a security measure. Open your banking app and ensure that international payments and online transactions are enabled for your card. You might also want to try using a different payment method, like Apple Pay or Google Pay, which often bypasses these specific browser-based decline issues. Finally, if the error persists, try switching to the mobile app. Sometimes the desktop web interface has unique conflicts that the iOS or Android apps do not. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone, go to your settings, and try upgrading directly through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These platforms handle the billing themselves, which is usually a much more reliable way to get your subscription active without any card errors. And that is it. Your account should be upgraded and ready to go. If this troubleshooting guide helped you fix your payment today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.